Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to log out of Twitter on all devices using an iPhone, iPad or Android device. Password managers make it easy for you to log into Twitter and other applications across the various devices you use. However, one downside of that is that if someone else gets their hands on one of those devices, that will make it easy for them to access those accounts as well. If you're concerned about someone accessing your Twitter account without your permission for this or other reasons, you should change your Twitter account password and log out of Twitter on all devices. So for this, what you have to do is first of all just open the Twitter application on your mobile, and then what you have to do is just tap on your profile icon in the top left corner. A menu will appear and then scroll down and tap on this settings and supports. Click on settings and privacy. Now tap on this your account. So you have to tap on this security and account access. Click on it. And from here you have to tap on this apps and sessions. This window will be appear. Now from here you have to tap on this sessions. So you will see your active sessions associated with your current devices displayed on the top part of this section, and all of the other active Twitter sessions that you will be actively logged out of listed toward the bottom of this section. You have to tap on this log out of all other sessions, click on this log out, and that's it. So now this Android phone is the only active session and all other Twitter sessions have been logged out. So that's it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.